Hey, cough drop. Explain. Stupid declaration.
No.
Talk.
No.
I gotta pee!
What's going on in this candy heart of darkness?
I don't know.
Talk.
No.
I'll lick you.
You wouldn't.
Oh, yeah?
I am so dead.
I need help.
Oh, yeah?
Sneak one of these bad boys in there. Oh. That's funny. I don't remember checking my calendar and it being April 1st.
Hard enough?
No.
Please put me back in your filthy mouth again.
Suit yourself.
No.
I've actually cut down to 2 of these per day, which is good considering I used to do 2 packs of heroin a day. I can still taste it.
Hard enough?
No.
Oh yeah.
Suit yourself.
Time.
No.